Hello everyone, today in this video we are going to learn CSS autofit and autofill, and these two CSS function can be helpful to create responsive design. So as you can see, if I'm shrinking my screen, so you can see here it's trying to fit automatically for mobile devices and for tablet and desktop, as you can see. So we are going to learn how we can make responsive design. And one thing is very important, guys. Before starting this design and learning these tips, I would like to request, please hit the subscribe button. I know you are watching my video but not subscribing. Please do it and make it 1K. And let's go ahead and try to start. In order to learn these tips, as you can see, here is my index.html file. So here I have a div which is called container, and inside this div I have a 3 item, and I have another div which is grid container fill, and inside this div I have a 3 item. So that's it, very simple. And I have a link up here, style.css. Nothing is here. So first of all, I'm going to give some style inside this body. Let's go ahead and try to give some style, but before giving some style, I would like to give style inside this grid item, guys. So let's get the grid item, and inside this grid item I would like to say background color. That's going to be, let's say, add here blue. There we go, as you can see. After that, I would like to add the color, which will be white, and then I'm going to add padding, which will be 20 pixel. Now looks good. And then I would like to add text align center. There we go. And inside this body, I would like to add some style. As you can see, display going to be flex gonna be direction column, align item center, and I have added here front family. And as you can see, now looks like this. After that, I would like to take this grid container, as you can see. So here we go, here is the class, and inside this grid container I would like to say display. That's gonna be grid, as you can see. So okay, and then I'm going to add here gap, let's say 10 pixel, as you can see. And then I'm going to add here width, which will be 100%. There we go. Now looks good, right? If I'm in big screen, as you can see, always 100%. And after that, I would like to define here column. So let's say we want to define 3 column. Then we'd like to add here grid template column. So to define, we can use repeat, let's say 3 column, and that's gonna be 150 pixel. As you can see, 3 column, 150 pixel is here right now, as you can see. So not here, I can define here 3, as you can see, 3 column. There we go. It's always in 3 column, as you can see, right? So instead of adding here 150, I can say here 1 effort. Then that's going to be masked dynamically, as you can see. Now it's masking dynamically in width, right? So responsive width right now. So there you go. But it's always 3 column, as you can see. If I'm going mobile screen, which we don't want. We want 3 column for big screen, 2 column for medium screen, and 1 column for mobile screen. So let's go ahead and try to add. In order to add this thing, inside this repeat function, what we have to do, we just need to add one thing, which is auto fit. And after that, I'm going to add here min max, guys, min max function. And inside this min max function, that will be here, right? So then we can see here, that's gonna be 150 pixel and 1 FR minimum width. That's going to be, it will dynamically fit, as you can see. There we go. As you can see right now, we have a 1 column, then 2, and now 3. As you can see, it's totally responsive, guys, totally responsive. You can define here 200 now. So this way, this line of code, guys, is very important and it will do automatically responsive. But what if you add here autofill? So autofill is not filling, guys. So instead of adding here autofit, so if you just copy, let's copy the class name, and inside this field, if I just copy and paste over here, as you can see, same. So instead of 200, 150 is enough. So instead of adding here autofit, that's gonna be autofill. There we go. As you can see, it is same, but it's not trying to fit in 100% width. So it's not fitting. So that is why if you want to make it responsive, just use autofit, and if not, then you can use autofill. If you add here more columns, then okay, here will be more column, as you can see. So if you add here more columns in here, then it will be same, as you can see, same, right? So just use autofit, guys. So this is the difference between autofit and autofill. And don't forget to give a like and subscribe. Thank you very much for watching this video.